In this tutorial, you're gonna be learning about some of the great native effects you can find in Adobe After Effects. There's a lot of really fantastic effects, and I want to start by talking about a super useful effect called Warp Stabilizer. Let me play this clip here. It's super short, and you can see that it is just a complete mess. There's no possibility that you could use this and anything, right? Well, maybe. Yeah, I guess maybe you could. Now, if you're a really eagle-eyed viewer, you may see tiny little jitters in the playback here. Things that don't look quite right. Especially if you concentrate on this line here. You will see it jump around a little bit. However, if you look up here, it looks pretty glassy stable. And this warp stabilizer